Turn our attention to Mumbai, which is witnessing a decline in COVID cases. Uh, the number of active cases in the city have declined to nearly 1,000 from 4,000 within a month. The active case load has also come down by over 50%. Mumbai Civic Body has said that the lockdown measures have helped bring down the number of cases in the financial capital of India. Now, that's the latest, but they've also warned that people mustn't let their guards down. For more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Disha on the broadcast. Disha, you've been tracking the pattern, the COVID caseload pattern in the state of Maharashtra and specifically in Mumbai. We know that the cases, active cases, have come down by 50%. What are the bodies, local bodies, attributing this decline to, and what are the advisories that they have issued as we see this decline?
Well, good morning to you, Archana, and our viewers on Mirror Now. Specifically, if we look at the COVID pattern of the last 1 month or so here in the city of Mumbai, definitely there seems to be some improvement because the active cases have gone down to over 50%. So last month, just exactly a month ago, if we talk about the active cases were over 64,000, which has now come down to merely 27,000. So that there is a marked improvement in that. The daily case figure of COVID has come down from 4,000 to 1,000. So now about 1,000 cases are being reported every single day as against 4,000 that used to be reported last month, exactly same date if we talk about. Then containment zones as well, because remember, more the cases and more, of course, buildings were sealed and more containment zones were actually set up. So the containment zones have also come down from 111 to merely 41. And most importantly, if you talk about the city's positivity rate, it has come down to 3% from 10% to what it was last month. So definitely there seems to be improvement in the COVID pattern that we are looking at. But the BMC says that we should not really lower our guard yet. Because the cases are still coming. 1,000 is also a big figure as far as Mumbai is concerned, and they want to bring the positivity rate down to almost less than 1%. So that is the target now. And BMC attributes this to a couple of measures. Firstly, of course, the lockdown like measures that were created that were implied here in the city of Mumbai because everything was shut probably for, as far as trains are concerned. Even shops, restaurants, non-essential shops, malls, theaters. So the public gathering did not really take place, and that is what really contributed the highest in curbing down the spread of the COVID cases. So going ahead, the target of the BMC is to actually bring down the daily positive cases to merely 50, and that they say will only happen if people continue to take precautions and if people continue to obey with the lockdown like measures.
Right, important inputs there, Disha. If I may ask one more question, that is like you've mentioned, you've listed down a lot of points as to what is the BMC attributing this decline to. Another aspect of this is, which is widely being praised, is the decentralized war rooms that the BMC created in order to improve communication and directly reach out to COVID patients. What more can you tell us about that?
Well, certainly, Archana, when actually the city of Mumbai started seeing a peak as far as COVID is concerned, there were a couple of measures that the BMC took to streamline the entire process so that patients do not face any difficulties. So, of course, the first thing that the BMC did was to have 24 helpline numbers in 24 different wards of the city. So, for instance, if I'm staying in Mulund, then I will have a helpline number of my own. Provided by the BMC, the entire area of Mulund can use. And there, of course, if people are facing any issues related to the bed availability, related to the testing, related to where they can go and get the RT-PCR test done as far as labs are also concerned. So all of those places, the information was available. And so even if I want a bed for a COVID patient, I should not really call one helpline number, which was 1916, that was set up last year during the COVID pandemic. But definitely, decentralizing system really helped, because it helped in early detection, because people used to really get easy accessibility over where the lab is and just to go and get it tested. Then early, of course, detection means early treatment. If any patient is serious, then they, the bed availability was even just a phone call away. So all of these measures really helped in curbing down the cases, because they actually got the treatment at a very right time, at a very right place, and that is really helped over the past 1 month to streamline the entire process.
All right, thank you, Disha, for getting us those important inputs on Mumbai's decline in COVID caseload. However, all authorities, including the government, have been saying that yes, there is a decline, but people should not let their guard down. They have to continue following the COVID protocols.